Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, today we will learn our lesson number 2, Huruf Markabat or compound letters. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's come to the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Huruf Murakabat or compound letters? Viewers, two or more letters combine, join together to form a Murakkab compound. When we join two or more Mufridat letters, what we have learned in lesson number 1, when we join these Mufridat letters, they form a Murakkab or compound letters. Compound letter can be consists two or more Mufridat letters. How we pronounce Huruf Murakabat or compound letters? Pronounce each of the Murakkab letters separately like Mufridat letters. Because compound letter consists Mufridat letters and each Mufrid letter will be pronounced separately in compound letters. Make sure in this lesson also be pronounced the letter in the established manner, that is with the Arabic accent. How we write compound letter? When two or more letters are joined together in writing, their shapes gets changed a little. Usually the head of the letter is written and the body is omitted. We will see this in lesson soon. Identify the letters which are the same when in the compound form by the difference in the number and position of dots. Let's start how we write and how we pronounce the compound letters. Our first compound letter is Lam Alif. Here in this compound letter we have two different Mufridat letters. One is Lam and second is Alif, and the next one is also Lam Alif. Both are the same compound letter, but they are different in writing, but the pronunciation of the both compound letters are same, like Lam Alif, Lam Alif. Here this compound letter contains Ba and Alif. Ba Alif. We pronounce separately each Mufrid letter. First is Ba, second is Alif. Noon Alif, Ta Alif. Let's come and more practice for compounds letters. Ya Alif, Tha Alif, Sheen Alif, Seen Alif, Fa Alif, Qaf Alif, Jim Alif, Kha Alif, Ha Alif, Ain Alif, Ghain Alif, Sad Alif, Dad Alif, Ta Alif, Ra Alif, Mim Alif, Ha Alif, Kaf Alif, Lam Ba, Kaf Ba, Kaf Ta, Kaf are the examples of compound letters. In our next video, in lesson number 2, part 2, we will learn more compound letters. Thanks for watching this video. You can visit our website www.madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.